Hello, this is Mike, NoStressMike.com. I'm getting close to the Kansas-Oklahoma border, and it's raining. Let's see, it's all wet, and yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm wet, and that's because it's wet. It's wet out here. And I'm heading back to Topeka. It was interesting. Had a lot of fun down in Tulsa, and learned a lot. And it was interesting. Now, oh, it's kind of cool. My bags are wet, but this bag's dry. That one's pretty dry. It's a wet bag. It's a little bit wet, but and then riding in the rain, it's tough. Now it's sprinkling. It's not so bad when it's bad no matter what. Even if it's not raining, the street's wet because of all of the debris coming up off the road. It's bad. And then when it's raining, it's worse. And you got to really be careful. I've slowed down a lot, driving a lot slower, and it's cold. It's I think it's probably in the 70s, so that's not so bad. But at 60, 65 miles an hour, it's cold, and like I say, I'm wet. And so it's an interesting experience. It's a normal 5-hour drive. I'm expecting 7 hours probably. Let's see, I left Tulsa, and right when I got out of Tulsa, it started raining. And you can see bad, and well, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not so bad where I came from. It's clearing up in the south. It's clearing up in the south, but I'm meeting in the rain as it's going north, as I'm going north, and I'm expecting rain pretty much all the way to Topeka. And it's supposed to be raining for the next few days, so I think this is going to be finally the cooling down that we're getting. But anyway, I thought I'd get you caught up on what I'm doing, and I'm clear. And I'll catch you a little later. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.